this
Smashers
Dino
Ice
Age.
mini surprises. So it has freeze geller, slime,
Stretch,
mix and match. Build. You can build a dinosaur. So let's start.
And we're gonna see what's inside them.
Yeah.
Wait, oh my god.
Oh my.
I got it. Yay. Look when you
Look
unwrap.
at this egg.
Look when you unwrap. Oh, now
Look,
you have to try to
and-
open it.
Let's open. Whoa!
Wait,
Whoa!
what's that?
This is cool.
Wait.
So let's start opening.
Wait, I'm gonna see what this is.
Okay, so I opened this.
Oh, it's smashed. There's a smasher.
Smasher!
You can smash that egg. Where's that egg? It's gone. Great.
Okay, so I got this guy.
Are you gonna open that? Because that's the instruction. Are you gonna open that?
Yep. And
Yo. There's that thing.
this is gonna be cool.
Oh, it says we need scissors somehow. It says that.
No, you don't need to.
Yeah, you don't need to.
Yeah, you don't need to do that.
Dino egg.
So we.
Oh, this is
opened
slime. I can feel it. That's slime.
this. Okay. And this one is the instruction. And look, there are so many to collect.
There's a lot of slime, Jaden.
And when we build a dinosaur, we can put it back inside the egg.
Too much and. Dude, I have this dinosaur head.
And
You have that triceratops.
Yeah. So let's open this first.
I'm just gonna try to smash that. Where's that
Egg?
Yeah.
So let's open the egg.
Where's that? Okay. I'm not gonna really smash it. I don't like to lost pieces. Because you really need to smash it.
Got it.
What? I just saw something.
Did it? I have a deer.
What's a? You have a deer. I have an egg.
Wait, what is it called? I don't know what is it called. So
Wait.
let's check
Where
it
do you
out.
have that thing? Where do you have that thing? Jim, where do you have this? Where do you have that?
So.
Well, I'm gonna
This
put these
one
inside
is
later.
like-
I'll build it back.
Oh, these are exclusive ones.
Yo, you can build
Arctic
it.
ape and lizard bear. So
Where's one, please? I just found it.
I got deer frost.
You have deer frost?
Yep.
Oh, wait,
So
what? We are
so-
mixing stuff.
let's put it back.
What do I have? I don't even know. I think I have egg dry code. Or egg dry code. Yeah, I have egg dry code. Oh, egg dry code. Dude, I have a T-Rex. Look, I just realized I have a T-Rex. You can build a T-Rex. I'm gonna build a T-Rex. Whoa.
So we opened this.
Sorry.
Sorry
Well-
about that. But his is bad.
Hope I do not get messy, please. I don't want to get messy after this.
So let's open the slime next.
You know where to open it?
Oh.
Wait, how come you're so strong? Oh, heal. I know now. Wait.
I don't know how to open this.
You need scissors, my friend?
Oh, yep.
Wait. Well, this is gonna be very hard. Got the footage. Well, this does not work. Try. This is gonna take for 10,000 years. Can you try? Wait, what?
Cut it
Something
off.
wrong with you? Somehow you do it and somehow I don't. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's not sticky at all.
Oh, it's not sticky? Dude, there's slime.
Whoa,
I just put slime.
This is cool. Wait, I found the body piece already. So let's get it off.
I like these slime. I want to keep them.
Yeah.
I think I had one of these slime before. You need to take everything out. You need to take the slime out too. Is this my piece? Where's mine? Mine? Mine?
Look at the slime. Whoa. Look at the slime. It's glittery and
We
blue.
don't like glitter because we have glitter drop.
And it's like sticky on my hand. Oh.
I'll just take out them later.
Let's take them out.
Yo. I'm just gonna open the head. I'm gonna get the head out. Dude, the head has real slime. Okay, yeah.
It's frozen slime. So it's stuck.
Look inside. It's like, help me. Okay.
So we're opening this.
It's
called-
hashtag super hard. Oh, I think you can poke a hole right here. No, it says here. You cut here. It says you cut here. Well, that's what it says, and I opened it. Yo! Ew, Bubble! Okay, yeah, Bubble. We need to... Yo, watch out when you cut that, because it's going to be very dirty. Let me get another scissors. Right, that's not one scissors. Why don't you get another one? Ew! I'm literally yucky slime. You, do you hear that sound? Look at that. Look.
We should not keep the slime.
Oh, see, yeah, I don't like the slime. How could you get that thing? I need more scissors. Because, yeah, no, you cannot cut the slime. There's no way. We are having big thousand trouble. Yo, Jay, you squeeze it. You squeeze it, the head come out. Ew. Yo, Jaden, I like these slime.
Yeah. It might be cool, but this one's very dirty.
I like these. I remember I had these before.
So, do I have to poke?
Ooh.
Do I have to poke a hole?
No, you don't need to poke a hole. You just squeeze it. You cut. Do you see that thing? You cut it and then you squeeze it. The head will come out. Where's my body? Oh, there's my body. My body's right here. Ew! They're literally stuck. They're literally stuck on my hand. Because I want to keep these slimes.
You
Okay.
hold that. This one is dirty.
Okay, I'll clean them up later. Wait, what? We have more than me because somehow. Look at that. Weird. Yeah, and then you squeeze it. You squeeze it very hard. Now you squeeze it. It will come out. I did like that. Okay, enough with playing. I need to continue. I'm done with these slime. Oh, there, scissors. Where's my other slime? Who took my other slime? Where's my other slime? Great. I'm gonna get my slime. Who cut these slime?
Okay. So this is gross.
Yeah, that's super gross, like a bros. But blah, 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 blah.
Bruh.
The
Bruh.
scissor board.
Never touch real slime at home.
You could see. Nothing happened. Yeah, now, yeah. No, my smasher pieces. Ew.
Whoa.
Ew.
We can only keep this slime because it's only stretchy and sparkly and not like this. Right.
I like these slime. Yo!
So let's just.
Yeah, let's just put this somewhere else.
Yep.
We didn't get the slime out and you mean put it this. This is gonna be a giant ball slime.
Ah.
Look at it. You didn't get it. Just Jane, just don't care. Just play with it. It don't really stick on your hand.
Ah. Ew.
There.
I think.
Get out out the slime because I'm not good a good take out slime. Wait, I think the mouth move. Try it. Ew, that's like poop or pee.
Yep. Cut the clip.
Cut the clip. Yo, look at these. Oh yeah, do not play with it. It hurt my hand with a snowflake. It hurt my hand with a snowflake. No, the thing is like oogie.
Okay.
It doesn't even look like
slimy and goozy slime.
No. Jay, do not play with that because it will poke you. Take out the scissors.
Okay, time to open the Stretchy Snow!
Wait, I didn't know these are Stretchy Snow.
Yeah, me neither.
Me neither? What's a me neither?
Wow.
Jaden, come on, get the scissors. Wait, what's inside? Stretchy Snow, here I come. Ew, why do I keep touching it? Is that ew for me?
Boing, boing, boing. So let's cut this.
Dude, they really feel like snow. Dude, do not cut that. You want the scissor to be sticky. Oh, I have a T-Rex because I just realized it's a tiny arm.
Is it cold?
It's not that cold. It really feels like snow, but not cold.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, this is a tail. I thought this was a leg with no feet. I'm gonna do that later. Hello, snow. We should mix these snow to another snow. Outside snow.
Oh my god.
Yeah! The foot. Oh, good thing. Jay, I think if you drop it, it's already clean. I just dropped it and it's clean already. These are more good slime because these did not stick at all.
Yeah, do not stick.
And that easy. I'm gonna try to build this with. Try to get something to get out these. I'm gonna try to get something to. I'm gonna watch this.
Okay, so get this out.
Cut the clip. Cut the clip. Cut the clip.
Okay, got the leg out, but
Great. Now the tissue paper are stuck like slime.
stuck with slime. And sticky and gross.
And sticky and gross. I thought you could close these up. All clear, except for this. Hey! No, it's white, not blue anymore. Oh, let me put these in the garbage can.
Yeah. Okay, this one's very clean. This one? Very clean too. So, get this line. I just touched. Oh. Look when I touch it. Look when I touch this.
Well, my dinosaur body is finally back on place.
Look at this guy.
Wait, do not. Okay, fine. Good thing. So now I can
It's
turn it
slimy and gross.
Dude, now snow is like
Clip for
poking
me
me.
too.
Cut the clip. Cut the clip. You just need to cut the clip. Sorry about that. So what, bro?
Let's build the dinosaur.
I'm already building the dinosaur. I'm not waiting for you, okay? It won't take for a while.
Where's my arm?
There's no arm. Great. Where's my arm? Where's my arm? Where's my arm? arm's broken. Oh, my arm is gone. Oh, there's the arm. I'll build back the Smash Bros. Later. I like the T-Rex. Then what do you have? What dinosaurs you have? Triceratops?
Yep.
Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Dude,
Triceratops.
go in. It's just because of the slime did it. I'll mark you as a F- if you don't go in. Finally, look at this guy. Jumping on the dinosaur. Dude, they almost show out the footprints. Now I'm gonna build back this egg. Something egg. I don't know how to build it. Where's the instructions? Oh, there is the instructions. Now, let's check. Oh, this is the... How can you even build this? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to smash it anymore. Why you touch it if you don't like it? So this is the top, I know. This is, I don't know, what is it?
So first I'll take off the hat. Then I'll put the legs in. Ooh. And I don't know where the tail is.
And this thing. Dude, there's still mixed that slime. Jay, let's mix all the slime in here.
What? Really?
I'm gonna try. Yay. Jay, you're gonna move that. The table almost fell into pieces. Ew! It actually feels very good. To mix this thing with this, it actually feels very good.
The thing with this?
Dude, stop! Someone's moving the table. Maybe it's an idiot. They didn't go back.
Oh, it doesn't feel good.
There's yours.
Here's mine.
Wait, you mix these.
I only like this. I
Tell
like
you what.
this one with the sprinkles.
Cut the kid. Do you need help? Oh, you need help? Okay, you need help. Wait, what? You're really confusing.
Okay, I have a ball. I made a ball with it.
There's the tail. You have a ball. You have a volleyball. Wait, what? Do you change greatness? So we have in the blue ice dino egg, we have a T-Rex, and inside
the orange egg, we have a triceratops.
inside we have Stretchy Snow,
Crystal slime, and frozen slime.
and
in the smasher eggs, we forgot what it is.
And he has a reindeer, and I have an egg. I forgot
You mean
what it's
a deer?
called. A deer, and I don't know what's this egg called. I forgot.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So, and crystal slime, we get like the body. We get the body. And this one we
And the
get
frozen slime, we got the head.
And the stretchy snow, we got the legs and tail.
Tails and arm.
And-
Because I have arms, you don't.
I don't have arms.
Yeah, but still, I have arm.
So that's it. We forgot to mention
So the crystal snow, I do not know what it is. I think it's this.
Yeah,
it's this.
it has snowflakes and it's stretchy and it has like
Those hurdy sprinkles.
yes.
And
Sprinkles.
inside this stretchy snow,
There is like snow on it. But we mixed it inside the frozen slime.
And the frozen slime is this thing.
sticky
And there's hair.
yucky.
And there's hair.
And it's yucky. But the egg, I don't know where it was inside.
The egg, this thing was inside the egg smasher. And this thing was also in the egg smasher that I don't know where Jaden put. The deer.
Okay, so this one has like sprinkles, like purple sprinkles,
Here's the deer.
snowflakes one,
Beef
and
on
a
it.
shape one.
Come on. Okay, I'll do that. So,
I
pick up
don't
the
like
slime.
this slime because
So
it
guys,
likes
okay, look at that.
it likes make me hurt.
Wait, who break
Ow,
my
ow,
hand?
ow. Yes, it makes me
Okay,
hurt.
guys.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm happy you're happy.
oh great, my Google. Okay, guys.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, comments down below, and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.